Hi Chris, this is Brittany. I promised you a short and sweet educational video. You're probably asking why I'm sending this. Well, I know small business owners are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers, and the only thing stopping them oftentimes is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will take this information and do it themselves, and some people will contact me. Either way is fine. This is just to educate you and help you out with an attack plan. So today I'm going to be going over 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. So first I'm going to go over the content on your homepage. Right now it's a super simple website. There's not a whole lot of content. There's a picture and about 30 words. We do recommend anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. This is because content is king to Google and it gives you authority. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, and in your content you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I noticed you do bathroom remodeling. So I went ahead and I typed in bathroom remodeling, Sugar Hill, Georgia, where you guys are located. I know you guys serve other cities too, but I went ahead and just chose your home city for this. Now this is a great buyer intent keyword because it's location specific and also service specific. I'm a consumer and I'm looking for bathroom remodeling, Sugar Hill, Georgia. You definitely do want to have these buyer intent keywords throughout your content. So looking at the first result here, we have something called the Google Map Pack, where 30% of consumers will choose one of these top 3 businesses to perform their service. Not shown usually at the top and also at the bottom are Google Ads, where 5 to 10% of people will choose one of those businesses there for their service. And last, we have the organic search result, where 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses on the first page of Google. Now I was looking for a local website, and a lot of these directories were showing up like Yelp and House. That's completely normal and Angie. But the first organic search company that came up is fifthgenerationcontracting.com. I went ahead and I brought up their website here, and I want to show you some of the things that they are doing to rank in that first spot. So looking at their website, they don't have a whole lot of content. It's pretty and it's a simple design. There's only around 200 words or so on their homepage, so not the recommended amount, but they are doing some good things I want to show you now. So we briefly just went over content. So this is a page program called Eris that I like to use to research and evaluate websites. We have 2 ratings here. We have a DR rating, which is a power rating, and a UR rating, which is a trust rating, and both of these ratings are ratings Google gives to your website, and both of them are raised by something called a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So essentially it's like a popularity contest. Looking at what they have 191 referring domains pointing to 1.41K or around 1,400 backlinks to their website. And majority of them, 75% of them, are good quality. It is worth noting not all backlinks are created equal. The best ones to have are those that are relevant to your industry and also from local websites and that are also relevant to the services that you offer too. So looking at your website, you guys have 9 referring domains pointing to 55 backlinks. When I was looking at the quality of backlinks you guys have, when I was delving a little bit deeper, only around 10% of those were good quality. So you definitely want to focus on quality and good quantity of those good backlinks there to raise your rankings, and so you guys will get more trust and power with Google. Alright, so we've went over backlinks and we went over content. Next we're going to move on into citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in the map pack that I showed you at the top of our search result there. This is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like we saw down here on our search result house, Yelp, Angie. There's hundreds of others out there, but the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So that covers it for citations. So looking at site traffic, lastly, we see fifth generation contracting. They are getting 52 organic clicks to their website, and they're using some really good buyer intent keywords as well, such as home remodeling Marietta, Georgia. They get 100 searches per month. Home improvement Marietta, 70 searches per month. General contractors Marietta, 200. General contractor Marietta, Georgia, 200. And I'm not going to go through all of these, but you can see there's some really good, decent volume with those buyer intent keywords, and there's also a ton more pages, but I'm not going to go through all of those. But you are missing out on a lot of that traffic and volume potential there. So looking at yours, you are not getting any organic traffic currently or clicks to your website, and you're not ranking for any keywords because there's not much content there at your website either, so you definitely want to get that there too, so you guys can start bringing in more traffic, which will allow you to have more leads and allow you to have more revenue ultimately. Alright, so that is about it for today. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and I hope you have a great day, Chris.